I mean, why do you have two brushes in your car?
I bought them to clean my shoes.
Okay.
Spray my face.
The product review, and it's right here. Through. There's like a little hole, little orange. Holy shit! Oh boy. Oh man. You can only imagine what we're doing today. We're cleaning the Vagina-Mobile. Are you excited?
I heard you.
Yeah, there's nothing to not hear. I'm not hiding anything. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm excited.
I'm even more excited. Looky. That's a big bug. So
Okay, in my defense, we went up north and we took my car. Not his, mine.
not mine, because it has to stay clean.
Okay? So there's mosquitoes there.
Oh, yeah.
I'll help you.
Maria. This paint, just look at it. Look at the paint. So yeah, basically we're gonna be doing a big ass wash to my assistant's car here. Even mine, I literally washed it like yesterday. Ooh, ignore the paint swirl, please. If you missed it, actually, since you're here, last video, the last two videos, I actually did, I painted my brake calipers here, the stock ones. What am I doing with my finger? I also did brake lines, steel braided brake lines, but you can't see them, but they're there, trust me. Anyway, so today, I'm super excited, because we're finally cleaning this monstrosity of a vehicle, the Vagina-Mobile, that's what we call it on this channel. You guys actually might just freak out. Open up. Oh wow. Okay, so you can't really, it's really bright. I'm sorry, but like how do you even, oh, she's gonna get mad. There's yogurt. They have a dog. So there's hair just about absolutely everywhere. I'm gonna keep talking before she comes back outside. She's gonna get mad. And there's just dirt like everywhere. Everywhere you look, it's like super dirty. In her defense, yeah, like this car gets used a lot. Oh, how do you open this? It gets used a lot, and if it wasn't for her, we actually wouldn't even be able to get the tires here. But yeah, like it's just super dirty. Nothing. I just have to show before and after. Are you mad?
You're not clean it.
Yeah. I'm gonna help you by watching.
No, you're not.
Uh-oh.
You're gonna help me clean.
No, I'm gonna...
No. We're doing this together. That's why I'm
Listen,
here.
you're my assistant. I'm not your assistant.
Today it's flipped. We're working on who? Crystal or Lily? What are we working on?
Are we actually working on your car today?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little something, yeah. Yeah, on camera, nice. You have to look. Jeez. Right, so you saw how clean the car was before. You want to do a vacuum first, or you want to clean outside first? Outside? Okay, so you're not going to use my cleaning supply. No, you're not.
Yes, I am. I want the soft one.
Oh, you're not touching that.
No.
No, I promise you, you're not touching that. Your car's disgusting. No.
Your car's dirty too when we clean it.
I'm gonna give you a wool mitt.
No.
A wool one.
Like that one.
You're not touching that one. You're not. No chance. There's no way in hell. No, I promise you.
No, please.
No, I promise you. This is for my car.
No.
No one could touch this. No.
Yeah, we're drying her with this.
You're so funny.
Oh my god, we're gonna use a paintbrush too.
Yeah, I guess that
But
you
I want
could use.
this.
No, you're not touching that.
Please.
The most I'll give you is this one.
This one's ugly.
I don't give a fuck what you think is pretty or not.
It's softer.
This one is not touching your paint. This is all you're getting. Be happy.
Ew! Guys, he's staying calm because he's on camera. What are the other options?
That is your option. You don't want the other the other option is
No,
this.
it's gonna ruin Lily.
My point exactly. You either take the green one or you don't take nothing at all.
We used this last time on Lily. We're using it again.
We can. I'm gonna give you
No,
a
this one dries in 5 seconds. Where's the bucket? Where's the new bucket?
push.
Give
What?
me the other bucket. You need one to rinse and one to soak.
How do you know that?
Because I know.
You listen to me for real?
Are you stupid? Can I have it, please?
Okay.
Oh, look where the kids are looking at the bottom.
The
Did
grit
you
guard?
steal it?
No, it's called the grit guard. I paid for it. I got you this.
It's here.
Smell it.
Thank you. Palm, oh, it smells like apples.
Yeah.
It smells okay. We have to put the soap.
Look at that duck. Oh, you're already starting.
Crystal's gonna get wet. You gonna help me or you gonna videotape?
I'm gonna videotape. It's more fun this way. Uh-oh. I got the face. Wow. Look at that technique. You just rub it in there. Just rub it. You missed the spot.
Instead of
You missed the me. You missed the caca.
Instead of videotaping me,
Yeah.
go
Tell me.
get a glove.
All right. I'll go get a glove. Now this is gonna clean absolutely everything. Okay, I got the glove.
This is sandpaper.
Yeah.
This is gonna ruin my car.
No, it's gonna clean everything.
Let's clean it. Let's clean Crystal with sandpaper.
No. Okay, give me my glove back.
We should open up a car wash.
Oh yeah, you and me.
Yeah.
You and me.
To how we're safe and home. To the counting days until the second go. If you're gonna make a change, you have to let me know. Turn this shit around.
Hi, Julian.
So, we're done the exterior clean. It's not 100%, but
It's good.
It's more than what you would have ever done, or what a car wash could do. I went inside the wheel well.
It's clean.
It's pretty serious.
I
So
did
what's
the top.
next?
Have to dry it.
Oh fuck, we have to dry it.
Wow, I remembered and you didn't.
You're not using that.
We used it last time.
This is 20 cents. Okay?
I like the $20.
You go buy it. Okay, so what's next now? Windows? Alright. How do you even know that? How do you know that?
Clean the carpet.
Yeah, but properly?
Yes, properly, Julian.
I'm just gonna tap myself on the back for that one. I chose well. I want to empty this, Maria. I want to see the blackness that lies within. Hell, I'm just curious. Oh my god. What the fuck did you just do? Are you crazy? This is full of rocks. That is full of rocks. That was for your paint. Oh my god.
Ew, my feet are gonna get dirty.
So you have to do a widened stance.
Yuck, yuck, yuck.
Oh!
Yuck.
Those are all rocks. No, wait, I have to see. Holy shit.
Why my car is so
Yeah, I just clean everything. Yep. This is why you get an assistant. She does all the cleaning for you. Wow, that was a little more delayed than I expected. Now we're headed into untouched terrain.
talking about?
I'm talking about your interior, Maria. Now it's time to hit the whole car with my shop back here because it's literally gross.
Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. Smile less when I need to let go. Let go. Smile less when I let go. But you know I won't fall. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you.
Alright, so what feels like a couple hours later is actually just about like a good, I don't know, 30 minutes of work, Mary? More? It feels long for you too, huh? Anyways, now there's a steering wheel. I kind of did like a half. So this is like super clean. This is what it looks like right now. It's actually black. This is what it looked like before. This isn't just the reflection, this is actually white. This is like this brown, I don't even know what to call it, brown film. And there's like brown marks just about everywhere, and it looks really ugly.
That's what happens on all the buttons I don't touch.
Oh, okay, yeah, you don't touch them and they become dirty. Well, that's where I'm at. I'm gonna clean this side, I'm gonna do the rest, little touch-ups here and there. Where are you at? Show us.
So I'm cleaning all of the insides here. Pretty clean. I'm happy. It's white. It was full of dirt. Now it's all clean. That's
Proud of
it.
yourself?
I'm proud of myself.
For the interior, I'm using like a multi-purpose cleaner. It's that dirty. No offense. With that, it's actually like a lot of the stuff is actually coming out, and it's looking really good. We're done, Maria. Mer. We're done.
Okay, wait. I'm not done.
Come end it.
No, we're not done.
Alright. We cleaned the Vagina-Mobile. Am I right, Maria?
Oh my god, no, we're not done.
What? It's okay. Okay, we're done. Are you happy?
Now we're done.
Yay. It's clean. Looking really good. The Maguires really did a good job.
The who?
The Maguires, the multi-purpose that I was using before.
I was like, who's McGuire? Cool. They did a good job. They did.
Okay, had enough. She doesn't even know. The steering wheel actually came out really good. All the buttons finally, they were disgusting.
Yeah, I know. I told you I couldn't get it off. Stop so close to me.
Yeah.
Now you're gonna zoom in.
All clean in there, in here. Everything is like to the touch, so clean. My hands are, you know when you clean too much and your hands are just really dark, Maria? I mean, you're really big, Maria. Like, you know when you clean so much that your hands are like almost sticky, but like not sticky, they're
I
like,
feel dirty.
yeah, I don't know what it is. Anyways, everything in here is super, she put all this shit back, that's fine. In there is super clean. Everything under there is super clean, you know, to the best that we can. The back seats, what?
I think it's 3 hours because last time we checked your phone was 2 o'clock and now it's 4.
Wow, great job. The back, ouch. The back, there's no more fucking Bailey hair. Everything is like super clean. Finally, you want to show them the trunk?
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute, Maria. He spotted something. Dum. More mess.
Huh?
Everything in here is looking like really fresh. I'm really proud, Maria. Now I'll take a last look at this super clean car, because when I come back from Florida in 2 weeks, I bet you my life it's gonna be dirty as hell. Why are you laughing like that? Do you know it's true?
I think it's just gonna get dirty going away.
What? Huh?
Working was a disaster.
You're tired, you're hungry, do I have ice cream, do you want water, do you want a new car? Like, I don't understand.
A Jeep would be nice.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. You ready, Maria?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope you had fun with us cleaning the car. As much fun as we had.
We did have fun.
We had zero fun. This was not fun. That was horrendous. I don't ever want to do it again.
We're gonna do it again.
I don't ever want to do
We
it
have
again.
to do it more often now.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to drive with Drive's gonna be catching you guys in the next video. Peace. Say peace.
Peace.
Bye. Alright, while you guys are choosing a video up on the screen here, okay? Choose something, okay, and watch it. Stick around because we got plenty of stuff coming out. But just to show you guys what's going on in here. Yeah. That was dirty.